What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Who is your best teacher?
My best teacher is Mrs. Gupta.
Do you like homework?
Honestly, not really, but it helps me learn.
What time does school start?
It starts at 8 a.m.
Do you enjoy group projects?
Yes, they teach teamwork.
How many students are in your class?
There are 30 students.
Do you like your school uniform?
Yes, it looks neat.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Do you play sports at school?
Yes, I play football.
What do you want to study in college?
I want to study computer science.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, sometimes I cook pasta.
How often do you eat out?
About twice a week.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love it.
What's your favorite drink?
I like mango juice.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, it gives me energy.
What's your favorite dessert?
Chocolate cake.
Do you like fast food?
Sometimes, but not too much.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love bananas.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea.
What do you do in your free time?
I like watching movies.
Which movie did you watch last?
I watched Inception.
Do you prefer books or films?
I prefer books.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I play FIFA.
What's your favorite hobby?
My hobby is painting.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, every day.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Arijit Singh.
Do you dance?
Yes, at parties.
Do you like reading novels?
Yes, especially mystery novels.
Do you watch TV shows?
Yes, I watch comedies.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I went to Thailand.
What did you enjoy the most?
The beaches were amazing.
Do you like long flights?
Not really, they make me tired.
Do you prefer mountains or beaches?
I prefer mountains.
What's your dream destination?
Paris, the city of love.
Do you travel with family?
Yes, always.
Do you like road trips?
Yes, they are fun.
What's the longest trip you've taken?
A 2-week trip to Europe.
Do you like camping?
Yes, under the stars.
Do you take photos when you travel?
Yes, I love photography.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister.
Who is the eldest in your family?
My father is the eldest.
Do you live with your parents?
Yes, I do.
Do you have family dinners?
Yes, every Sunday.
Who cooks in your family?
My mother cooks delicious food.
Do you celebrate birthdays together?
Yes, with cake and gifts.
Who helps you with homework?
My elder brother helps me.
Do you visit relatives often?
Yes, once a month.